Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to unlock the MAELSTORM what's it called, shotgun in Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and let's get straight into the video. So you'll notice that if you go to loadouts, weapon, loadouts, go over to the shotguns, there is a new thing and it says unlocked in Merry Mayhem event. And what the Merry Mayhem event is, you can access it from here, hit here, and then go over to MAELSTORM. It should be the last one, I believe. Yes, the last one. And you basically need to unlock or achieve 68,000 XP to unlock this shotgun. And yeah, that is basically it. So you get XP from just playing games, I guess, doing daily challenges. You get a lot of XP from zombies, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so I guess the best way to unlock this would probably be just grind zombies. And yeah, that's what I'm going to assume. Because you don't get as much XP in multiplayer than you do in zombies and Warzone as well. So I recommend just, grinding zombies, and you can unlock this. And then, yeah, that is it. And another thing you guys can do is you don't have to do, like, one less gun. Because it's always easy to get, like, headshots for, or gold for shotgun. So if you unlock this, it's going to be pretty good for you for trying to get dark matter. But yeah, that should be it. And yeah, that is it for the video. That is how to unlock that gun. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.